area where there's.
If it says it's secure, I would then I understand. But if it's not restricted, then I can be here.
Let me show you where it's restricted.
Okay,
right here. That's what I'm saying.
But if it's not on this door, sir, is what I'm saying. We just passed through these two doors.
See that door right there? Restricted access. You came through this door.
What door?
You came through that door.
Right.
Okay, so I need you to just go into the lobby there.
Yeah, so she let me in, sir. We're talking about, sir.
Listen. You're in a restricted area right now, sir. I understand.
Where's the restriction at?
Right, this area here. You had to be buzzed in.
That's correct.
You can wait on the couch there, and I will get you the forms. I'd be happy to help you.
Okay,
but
cool.
You need to follow.
So you're not going to listen to what I'm saying? You don't want to listen to me?
I've listened to what you said.
No, you haven't. You started cutting me off.
I told you you're in a restricted area.
But I'm not, though.
Yes, you are.
I'm not.
You are.
It has to be posted, sir.
It is posted right there. Film that. Restricted area.
It says restricted access on the outside of the door.
Restricted access, so it's restricted.
So why did she let me in?
I don't know, sir. I'll
Oh, wow.
that. So I'm going to ask you to sit on those couches.
I'm not going to sit on those couches,
or
sir.
Stand over there, all right? And I will get what you need.
Man, I need to speak to somebody of a higher authority, man.
Come with me.
Because you're not going to just restrict these areas if they're not restricted.
There is restricted access on there.
Sir.
She shouldn't let you in. But I will get you what you need.
Let me explain to you. Let me explain to you how restriction go.
Yeah.
Just so you know. The only way that you can restrict something is with proper signage, right? Okay, right? So that sign out there says restricted access, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Not this entire building is restricted. So that means that we can't go past anything where you need a key card. That's restricted access, sir. Do you understand that? Or not exactly?
No, I understand exactly what your perception is.
No, that's not my perception, sir. That's the actual law. Think about it. This is public. This is a public building.
No, it's not.
So it's a private building?
It's a school.
Which is public.
With restricted access.
This is administration center, right? You see where it says it?
There's children up here.
Okay.
There's children down there. There's children through there. There's children in the gym area.
So let me ask you. So the sign up there on this door right here that says administration center, right?
Yes.
So how do you explain that?
Right. Look. Why don't you film that too? So you have Lake Forest School District 115,
67, second floor west.
So you have Connections Academy, which has students.
Right.
You have Transition Kids that have students here.
Okay.
There are students in this building, sir.
Okay,
you
cool.
Are in a school
That's cool,
environment.
but this is an administration center, sir, because it says it.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So we can, as long as it's administration center, this is public property, sir. It's not private.
With limited access.
That's correct. Meaning you can't go past anything restricted.
You're here for FOIA, and I'm going to get you the form, and then you can go about your business.
Yeah, if I want to, because I can stay here until it closes. Yes, I can, sir. Yes, I can.
It's restricted. You can't stay here.
Time, place, and manner. As long as it's open to the public, I can be here. I'm sorry that you guys are misinformed. And again, like I said, if there's nothing posted up saying restriction, then we're gonna access.
Twice. It's in there twice.
So if that's the case, why were y'all let in then?
Then I'm not ever going to let you in again.
Why did you let me in?
Because I saw a nice man looking in the window, thought maybe you need to pick up a student or something.
It's public property. That's why you let me in. So it's private?
Yes, private.
Oh, my living God, man. Oh, my God. She said the building is private. A taxpayer-funded building is...
Private school, private kindergarten.
It's not private, man. This is public property. Okay. Anything think about it, you just heard him say he's going to give me the FOIA forms. Mm-hmm. You think we can FOIA private records from a private entity? Of course not. Anything that's subject.
You need one form? Is that what you're looking for? You can also get them on our website.
Yeah, I'd rather do them in person. Yeah, so they're talking about it. Of course, we're gonna go wherever the public's allowed to go. That's just it. I don't want to have a seat. What's your position here, sir? Who?
Buckle up, guys. Today we are diving into a courtroom-style confrontation that raises one simple but powerful question. Can an ordinary citizen peacefully exercise constitutional rights without facing unnecessary resistance? As James enters a public administration building to film and submit a FOIA request, what should have been a routine visit quickly turns into a heated debate. Staff immediately challenge his presence, insist he's in a restricted area, and repeatedly pressure him to leave, while James calmly responds with legal facts instead of emotion. From the very beginning, you can feel the growing tension as both sides stand firmly behind what they believe the law allows, setting the stage for an intense constitutional showdown that is only getting started.
Building engineer.
Building engineer.
Yeah.
Do you agree to that this is public property?
It's a public building, but we have students in here, and so you
Yeah, I understand.
Like from a safety standpoint.
Kind of, sort of, but when we're talking about somebody's rights, then it becomes another thing. So even if
we
that's
have to
the
put
case,
student safety first. I mean, most school buildings are locked.
right? And that was locked. The
Yeah,
door was
so
locked, and she actually let me in.
have a public area right here that you're welcome to be at.
Get me fired today.
You said I'm going to get you fired. How can I get you
Because
fired?
I let you in. I shouldn't have let you in.
And that's my fault. Of course not.
You're in a
Think about it.
area
Look what that sign says right there. All visitors. So people are permitted to be here, sir.
Well, I mean, if you have a student, I mean, you would be a visitor going to pick up your student, or maybe you might have like an IEP meeting or whatever kind of meeting.
No, I don't have anything like that. Just
well, I
wanted to be able to
understand
document the publicly accessible areas.
I mean, you're
Recording. That's
Publicly
correct.
accessible.
Even around the corner there, sir, is publicly accessible. That hallway is accessible, sir.
Sure. If there's a bathroom there, if you need to use the bathroom or.
No, I don't. No, but if I did though, I would.
You'd be welcome, of
Okay, for
Look.
sure.
Fine.
Yeah. So the guy tried to. This is my whole thing. This is my
Why
whole
are you
thing.
recording all this?
Well, it's about education at the end of the day. It's about
Well, that's what we're trying to do here, but you're not helping us.
Well, I mean, you guys are not helping me. And trying to restrict areas that are open to the public.
It's not open to.
So this hallway isn't open. It has to be restricted.
If I let you go, that hallway is because I let you go.
Oh, okay. So you have to let me go. It's a power trip.
Damn, Skippy.
Oh, okay. Oh, now I get it. She's admitting that it could be open if she allows me to.
I didn't hear what you
Yeah, no, I'm telling you.
I'm not gonna.
I'm catching you up to speed since you were on the
Ask him
phone.
why he's recording all this. Purpose.
Oh, he can record.
Yeah, he can record,
Exactly.
but why?
What does it matter if I can do it?
People audit like public buildings all the
Thank
time.
you. So this young man knows already. We're glad you're here to know, man. We appreciate you knowing at least.
And unfortunately, like it is a school, so we have different rules. Like there's a public area that you're very welcome to be.
So I understand that a school might be attached here, but like where we're standing at right now is the administration part of it, right?
Yeah, no one asked you to leave them.
No, I didn't say no one asked me to leave, but they was trying to ask me to leave a public area. This hallway is a publicly accessible area. And I was documenting the public records that were on the wall. What's wrong with
so
that?
we have students who walk through here, so like I understand your point of view, but I hope you can understand ours. Like,
Kind of, sort of. I understand about
with
the
the way,
students and
you know,
things, but that shouldn't infringe on someone's rights, though. That's my thing.
Well, I don't think we're infringing on your rights.
So if I'm exercising my First Amendment right to record public records that are documented on the wall, and someone comes in to impede that would be an infringement.
Did someone tell you couldn't record?
Yeah, that guy told me I couldn't do it.
What can't you record?
Just this pamphlet that was right here on the wall. Literally like public information for the public to see. It's not, they're my public records right there.
Wait, what? I don't see any records.
Right here you see where this faucet is at? It's on the other side of this faucet. Right where the bathroom is at.
Oh.
See, right, see where this young lady's walking?
Yeah.
I was standing right there, put it like that.
Okay.
That's a public hallway, sir.
Well, I mean.
Do you get what I'm saying?
I appreciate what you're saying.
That's all. I understand you got probably like a privilege in terms of your co-workers and the people that you work with, but I mean, you should always still want to do the right thing. If someone's wrong, they're wrong.
Well, I mean, we're trying to do the right thing. We're getting you the records you've asked for.
I understand. Can I just show you? Because since I'm with someone that works, let me just show you what I'm talking about.
I know what you're talking about.
All right, guys. The pressure keeps building as more employees step into the conversation, but instead of resolving the issue, they only deepen the disagreement. James continues questioning why a taxpayer-funded administration center is being treated like private property while calmly explaining that recording in publicly accessible areas and submitting a FOIA request are protected rights. Every answer from the staff seems to create another contradiction, exposing confusion over access rules and public records. As the discussion grows more intense, the atmosphere shifts from a simple misunderstanding to a real test of how well public officials understand the rights they're sworn to respect.
This is where I was standing at right here.
Yeah.
You see this? This is a public record. Why you would?
Well, I mean, it's just so we have a theater that comes in when there's not students here. And
Okay.
uses the space.
And then see, like this is obviously this is personnel that works here, right?
Oh, it's just cast for a play.
Right, but I'm saying that put it like this: are they private? Is that private?
Yeah.
That's all I was saying. So this guy was
but
off the
we
Richter
do have
scale.
like students who come into this area.
I understand.
So-
And then this is a restroom which is open to the public.
I mean, generally, it's not open to like the public. I mean,
It's not a private bathroom. Like, meaning it's not for just personnel only. That's what I'm saying.
correct.
Right. That's
Generally, people aren't coming in to audit us.
right. I understand. But you guys should be prepped and ready for anything, right?
I mean, most people just, I'm not saying you're not respecting that this is like a school, but there's just, I just didn't fall back on the student safety.
I mean, I hear you.
We have a student ready to come down. I don't want any of our students being around someone's personal phone.
Yeah, so you
I'm-
can't.
I'm
you
talking
definitely
directly
can't
to you.
Yeah, just don't record our students.
I mean, I'm put it like this. I'll never intentionally record a student ever.
Okay. Well,
But-
I'm asking you not to, and
Yeah.
so.
Yeah, deliberately I wouldn't.
And they're gonna wait here.
So can I just finish what I was going to say real quick?
Absolutely.
Deliberately, I would never deliberately try to record a student ever. But if my camera just so happens to capture it, nothing
see,
illegal about that.
Well, but
That's all
I
I'm
mean,
saying.
Students come to school and they have an expectation of privacy.
Not in public though. That's the only thing. Because think about it. You guys are recording right now. You see what I'm saying? And I can FOIA this footage right now. You know that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, but like I said, I never intentionally try to record
appreciate
it.
you not doing
No,
that.
I'm not. I don't have an intention to do that. I'm not here for that.
That's awesome.
Yeah, definitely. So I just wanted to make that point about those records on that wall. That young man didn't want me to record those for some reason.
Okay.
So what's through here?
This is more school.
Oh, okay. You obviously need a key card.
Yep.
See, now that's where that sign comes in at. Restricted access. You can't go through that door.
Well, I mean, generally we restrict access to people who have business here.
Right.
And you do.
Yeah, for sure.
You're here to FOIA some records.
That's correct.
So you have every right to be in this area.
For sure. I was just trying to make a point there.
Yes.
They're not sending students to PE right now. Now they're supposed to, but they're not going to.
Is it because of the camera?
I don't know, but I'm in the witness protection program, so I'm really.
You're in the witness protection program, sitting out in the open? Oh wow!
Like you taking my picture.
Somebody dropped the ball. They got you sitting out in the open in the witness protection program.
Oh, now stop it.
I'm going off what you told me. Oh my living God, man. So I guess we're still waiting for the other young man to come down. He said he was going to come down bring us a FOIA. He hasn't shown back up yet, so we're waiting on him though. More of the same. That's what they were stalling me out for. Lake Forest on the way. They could be just patrolling. We'll see though. You guys make sure you stay tuned, man. Yeah, more of the same. More of the same, man. This guy went up and called him secretly. Yeah.
Buckle up, guys, because this is where the confrontation shifts from policy to principle. James carefully explains that his goal is not to film students or invade anyone's privacy, but to document publicly accessible records and hold government agencies accountable. While some employees begin acknowledging portions of his argument, others remain hesitant, revealing uncertainty about the law they are trying to enforce. Just when it seems the conversation is finally calming down, word spreads through the building, and the arrival of law enforcement appears inevitable, signaling that this constitutional dispute is about to reach an entirely different level.
All right, how you doing?
I know. I was working on football. Maybe another class. Everything's going well.
Yeah, and
How you doing, officer?
Good. How are you, sir?
Pretty good,
Can
pretty-
I talk to him real quick, and then I'll talk with you. Do you
Yeah, I
mind
just
that?
wanted to come out here real quick to make sure this guy wasn't lying on me, man.
Absolutely not.
I'm out here. I'd rather. It's beautiful to.
I'm having a private conversation with the officers. So
Well, I still have a right to stand right here, so I mean.
Do you mind though if I just talk with him real quick, and then I'll come. Whatever you have, I'll come talk with you real quick.
Yeah, it's all good, but I still have a right to stand right here. I mean, if you guys want to take it sidebar somewhere, that's another
Sure.
thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're gonna do that, and then I'll come meet with you if you
For
don't
sure,
mind.
for
Thank
sure.
You, sir. I appreciate
All right,
it.
for sure. For sure. So we'll get all these young men names and badge.
Excuse me, you have a
Yeah,
good
for
day.
sure, for sure. Badge numbers and names, man. Shortly thereafter, we'll go from there, man. So this lady says she's in witness protection.
I know.
That's crazy. That's crazy. They're running from the mafia.
That's what the Irish mafia
Really?
family.
Oh wow! And they got you just sitting out in the open like that, huh?
Because usually only nice people come in.
Really? Oh wow!
Flowers for crying out loud.
Oh okay. She says she's with the Irish mafia.
What's up, man? What's your first name?
What's your first name? Matt.
Nice to meet
James.
you.
Nice to meet you as well.
Nice to meet you. What's going on?
So I mean, obviously, okay, we're coming in today.
Yep. Just to let you know, we're being audio recorded. Okay.
All three of you guys?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yep. So we're coming inside to exercise rights today, obviously. So we're making no efforts to go past anything restricted. And we want to file a FOIA. Now, these are additional rights. We tried to convey that over to the young man. Another young man we was having a dialogue with, he understood why we were here. He just went upstairs. But for some apparent reason, they're not interested in our rights today.
Okay. Well, he's got the FOIA information for you.
For sure.
That you can go online and file whatever FOIA information that you want.
Yeah, he told me that. I'll do it. I like to do them in person, though. I always do them in person. It's the old school way.
Have the ability to do it in person?
Yeah, it's
Perfect.
state law. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Sometimes they don't. So we do ours online. So that's
Oh,
why
okay. Well, everybody doesn't know how to navigate the internet. So,
totally understandable.
Yeah.
So I'll give you this form. Do you have questions about this while we're here?
no, I know precisely how to do it. Just like I said, I'll get to it momentarily, you know.
Well, can you request
Supreme Court.
whatever you need from him while we're here?
Yeah, I'm definitely going to, but I didn't want them to hold you guys up because it's a waste of resources even calling you out here for something that's not illegal.
It's not. So technically, this is a restricted area, right? This is a restricted building. Unfortunately, they let you in, and they shouldn't have. The school is a restricted area.
Well, it's not restricted for people that has business here. You have a limited restricted access. Kind of like that door right there where you need a key card.
This door is. You need a key card to open this one as well.
That's correct. And she let me in. So now we have official business here, though. So, you know, the Supreme Court has already ruled.
You have your FOIA. Could you please leave the property?
I'll have to file my FOIA and submit it, sir.
Can we go do that real quick?
I'm definitely going to, but I just don't want to be rushed into doing it.
We're going to be here until you.
I mean, if you got to, I mean, honestly.
All right, guys, this is the moment everyone has been waiting for as police officers officially enter the scene. Instead of backing down, James calmly explains why he's there, insisting that filming public areas and submitting a FOIA request are lawful activities. The officers try to persuade him to leave, while James argues that he cannot be trespassed for exercising protected rights and completing official business. With every exchange, the tension rises higher, turning a simple records request into a serious test of constitutional knowledge, authority, and the limits of government power.